gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull.
Small tablets are blowing up right now, and honestly, it makes sense. Bigger than a phone, way easier to hold than a huge tablet. And now, OPPO just jumped in with the new OPPO Pad Mini 8.8-inch. And here's the crazy part. It's the first mini tablet powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5.
Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content.
First, let's talk about the feel. This thing is insanely light. The soft light version weighs just 282 grams and is only 5.46 millimeters thin. The regular model is even thinner than a collapsible water bottle and lighter than a soda can. But somehow, you still get an 8.8-inch screen that feels super portable. The bezels are just 2.99 millimeters. The metal body feels premium, and the purple version I've got looks really clean. Plus, the matte finish keeps fingerprints away. Honestly, the balance of size and weight feels just right. Now, the display. This is where things get interesting. Unlike the iPad Mini's LCD screen, the OPPO Pad Mini uses OLED, and you notice the difference instantly. Blacks look deep and rich instead of washed out. You get a sharp 2880 by 1920 resolution, a smooth 144Hz adaptive refresh rate, and up to 1800 nits brightness. Reading, gaming, scrolling, it all feels great. Even outdoors, glare is almost completely gone. Meanwhile, the iPad Mini still struggles with reflections. And if you use tablets at night, this next part matters. The brightness drops as low as 2 nits compared to around 30 nits on the iPad Mini, so it's way easier on your eyes. There's also 4320Hz PWM dimming to reduce eye strain during long sessions. OPPO added Blue Eagle Eye Protection 5.0, anti-reflection tech, and even a palette mode that makes the screen look more like paper for reading. For a small tablet, this display is seriously hard to beat. Performance is another huge surprise. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 gives this mini tablet real flagship power. Everything feels fast and responsive, especially with Lingxi touch optimization. No lag, no weird touch delay. And with Super Frame and Super Picture tech, games and videos look even smoother than you'd expect. But my favorite feature, the AI Stylus. Writing feels shockingly close to pen on paper. Pressure sensitivity is accurate, so your strokes actually feel natural. Then there's AI Circle, which is honestly kind of addictive. Just circle anything on screen to instantly summarize text, remove image backgrounds, or identify objects. No screenshots, no switching apps. And AI Temple Fair can turn rough sketches into clean mind maps and charts automatically. Even better, the Stylus has built-in tracking, so if you lose it, you can actually find it. Battery life is solid too. You get an 8,000 mAh battery with 67-watt fast charging. That means up to 19.5 hours of video playback, or around 6.2 hours of gaming, easily enough for a full day. So overall, the OPPO Pad Mini packs flagship features into a compact size that's actually easy to carry. Compared to the iPad Mini, the display and eye comfort are on another level. Performance is powerful, the AI features are genuinely useful, and the stylus adds a lot more value than I expected. If big tablets feel too bulky and foldables are too expensive, this might be the sweet spot. And honestly, it could surprise you. The base model starts at 36.99 yuan in China, which is around 402 pounds in the UK or about $542 in the US. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!